Hi, today I'm explaining our codes which we did in the lab section. The first task is about the rock, paper, scissors, and we have the two different algorithms. One is rule based and other is the uh, not a rule based, but an algorithm. And now time to explain. Firstly, in the our code, we random generate to the move rock paper scissors, and this is the we write it to the winning conditions equal or losing. And we start with rock because when we research, we find uh, tips rock have a more chance to win because people psychology about like a probably scissors, and we give the zero of the others condition because we want to calculate and we want to show them like a report, and we have an array and to do store the movement for the do a guess in the other algorithms. In this rule base, if we are win, we are stay in the same movement, and if we are lose, we are changed our movement, and if we are equal, we are changed the movement, and we are write to the result. And test 2 is this report part the same, and test 3 for A, we need some algorithm. We use the Bayesian algorithm. I told you already we are stored the array here, and this code algorithm try to do find a pattern to look at the last movement and search in this pattern. If find the pattern, calculate the probability and do the uh, movements attack movement for this gases, and we can in here we do this in test A4 and A5. We play to the rule base and the Bayesian algorithms the 1,000 times, and we showed the winning conditions number here. When I run this code firstly, this first 100 about rule based, and other this part is about the gases algorithm part, and for the find pattern, always use this pattern and edit the rule based and search in this part. In other task B part, we are working on a bias classifier, and we use the Wikipedia page for informations. Firstly, we have data set here. We have the height, weight, and foot size. And first task, the A part, we tried to guess the gender of with data. We give this data, and we say that this male, yeah, we match data here, and we implement the Gaussian and model fit like is X and Y, and we give the new customers value, and this is the size, height, and weight, and we use the function for predict, and after this predict and using naive bias and predict the gender. For example, here for this, say that the probably is female. Yeah. The confusing part is task B because in the first task we used the class for doing that. Here we use the average man and female weight, height, and foot size. Here we store like a numpy array, and we store to the average variance of this. And when we return to do this Wikipedia page, yeah, we take to the average here and implement our codes. And here is some calculations to predict to this male or female, and try to calculate the probability for the female or male, and we implement this part to our code. They calculate the probability and predict the gender using this variance and averages. And if male probability bigger than female probability, predict the gender male, and after that female else. And for the try to this algorithm logic is calculation, we use the same thing in the Wikipedia page. Like we take this values and we write it, we give the functions, our functions, and now we can run. After that we see the percentage of gases. This is the probably female because this is the already so higher than the male probability. And for check our trust, we can check here because we already see the probability here, and this is when we check with our probability always exactly same, so we did the right.